Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a problem. This phone number cannot be used for verification. So one of the reasons why this is happening to you, if you went to the Google help and support, if you find this error message, you have to use a different number because they want to protect you from abuse. They limit the number of accounts each phone number can create, so you need to use a different phone number for that. But if that didn't work out for you, what you gotta do, or if you use that same number and your number wasn't abused, but Google said, you know, you can't use that phone number, go back to your screen and then make sure that you use a VPN. And the way to actually do that, go ahead to your settings and then go to the personal, basically to the general right here, and then VPN. You're gonna find a VPN right here. If you scroll a little bit down, VPN and device management. And basically while using a private network like VPN can help by masking your IP address, making it appear as though you're attempting to create an account from a different location. This can sometimes bypass the limit if Google's restrictions are also based on the suspected geographical clustering of an account creation attempts among VPN. All right, so VPN is a standout choice due to robust security features, a high-speed connections, and easy-to-use interface. When clicking on the link on the right here, when you click on the Google Play or App Store and then you just type VPN, you're gonna find many apps that can help you use a better connection, a better a better security features, and more. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.